Hi folks, middle of November now. I've not been up, not done a video for about a month because, to be honest, I've not even been up here for almost a month. So I'll just show you what I've been up to. Well, I haven't been up to anything, like I said. Show you what's going on, just have a quick wander around, show you what my plans are and stuff. Take my dog out for a walk because I'm having a half an hour off work, even though it's a Sunday, because I haven't had a day off for 2 weeks. So we'll get on. Stop digging mouses up, you. Come on, come on. Yeah, so as you can see, about 3 weeks ago I prepared this no dig bed. Took all my compost out from last year and this year, put about an inch of that down, and then covered the rest with me spent potato compost and things. So basically should keep all the weeds down now. Nice mulch. There's not a great deal on, maybe 1.5 to 2 inches, but it's all good to go. It'll be feeding the soil now slowly once the worms start taking it. So a few carrots in there in the sandboxes. Finish that one and that one, but we've still got a few left over in these tubs. I'll pull a few of those out sometime just to see how they compare to the ones grown in the bigger boxes. I've decided what I'm going to do with this bit. I've bought some fruit trees. I bought a couple of apple trees. So I'm going to plant a couple of apple trees in this bit. I was supposed to buy 2 different varieties so they would pollinate each other, but they sent me 2 of the same, but apparently they are self-fertile, so we'll see how they get on. So that's one task I've got to do before Christmas, just get those planted in for next year. Let's have a look. Like I said, I've not been up myself for nearly a month, but it's been so mild, hasn't it, that everything's still growing. Just got a few extra sods left. Few lettuces, just go around here. Oh dear, I've just spotted something. Can you believe that? Nearly into December and it's putting roses out. It's putting new buds out on roses now. That is just ridiculous. There's certainly something going on with this climate. If roses are blooming in almost December, so there you go. Look at that, lettuce is still growing strongly. I think we've had one little frost and that's it. I mean, it's about 16 degrees today. It's almost balmy. So yeah, crazy situation at the moment. Just have a wander into this bit. It's going to have to be a one-take wonder because I can't really be bothered. There's the last few little spindly leeks. They've all gone to seed now, so I'll just pull those up and compost them. Last cabbage, I left one in. It's absolutely covered in caterpillars now. Caterpillars in November, still active. That just shows you, doesn't it? It's warm enough for things like that to still thrive. So there you go, crazy weather. A few turnips just for Christmas. I didn't think they were going to do anything, but they've just perked up a bit. This is where I put the horse muck on. This is where I've been growing my leeks, so I've had a lot of energy taken out of it over the years with constantly growing leeks into it, so it should benefit from a good old dose of muck. It's only just gone 2 o'clock and it's in shade now, this bit, my little shrubbery, which I'm really pleased with. Everything's taken really well, so some things are thriving. This little sort of grass type thing, it's looking quite nice. Might get a few more of those. They're only about £1 from the market. The cordyline, it's grown quite a bit. Considering I only planted them about 6 months ago. Ivy started to spread, everything's just taken, so yeah, I'm pretty chuffed with this bit. I'm glad I did it. And it's mostly evergreen, so there'll be something, it'll still be green all winter when there's nothing else about. So we'll have another wander about. Oh, that dog's got stuck. Come on, come on, come on. So yeah, what I'm going to do this year, well this year I'm going to plant some garlic in the autumn, early winter time, rather than planting it in spring like I normally do. And I'm going to have a go at planting some in my polytunnel, because the guy who I know who used some of my bulbs grew some crackers in his polytunnel, so I'll be growing some in there within the next week or 2. I've just been trying to get the soil a little bit moist, so it's ready to go. And he grew some in sort of late October and it was ready in May, so it should be freed up for anything else I want to plant next year. And like I said, I got rust this year in that bit over there, so I want to try it in some different places. So I'm going to grow some over winter in this bit here as well. See how it gets on. If we don't get a really hard frost, it should be alright. And then I'll grow some anyway next spring, and then we'll do a sort of comparison to see how everything's getting on. So like I said, I don't usually grow my garlic over winter, but this year I'm going to give it a go because of the problems I had with the rust last year. If I can harvest it before the rust sets in, then we should be pretty good. So really, to be honest, as you can see, not a lot going on. Dog's digging in no dig bed up, thank you Zorro, stop it. But yeah, apart from that, not a lot going on, so that's about it. Oh, what you doing now, dog? Right, from me and Zorro, see you later.